left.
Pag na kayo lumayo daw.
It's more fun in the Philippines. We are here in Tarlac City and we're having an hour of boating in man-made lake of Cafe Josefina. If you want to come to the Philippines, one of your bucket lists to go is this place, Cafe Josefina. And ang presyo dito hindi naman kamahalan. Pwede kayong kumain dito. And then 15 minutes or 20 minutes boating is 100 pesos. Ikaw naman ang magsalita. Ladies and gentlemen, tour guide is...
Hello guys, welcome here in the Cafe Josefina, here in Cabos Tarlac. Then join us here, then having fun. And here now.
If you need somebody who is
If you need a
perfect
tour guide,
guide,
if you have a couple, dates, or anything what, family, go here in Cafe Josefina.
okay.
There's nothing booking.
And he's the famous tour guide here in Tarlac City. You can count on him.
Hindi lang po boating ang ma-explore natin dito dahil meron mga pagkain, meron tayong mga peacock po, and meron tayong mga hayop na mga makikita na ma-explore po dito sa Cafe Josefina. Ayan.
Okay. So that's it. Perfect and total package.
Uy. Taka na patog. Kaya nga mabaling nga may nilong. Kasi tayo lang kawa na.